everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all would be fine. Today we are going to make a wonderful DIY floor cleaning mop, which not only make your work easier but also save your time and money. And we will make it from old t-shirt and a plastic bottle that we often throw away. But after watching this video, you will never throw away the plastic bottle and old t-shirts. So let's start. Here I have taken a plastic bottle and an old t-shirt. First of all, we will cut the plastic bottle with a hot knife. We need the upper part of the plastic bottle. And I have cut it. Now I have taken a barbecue stick because I want to make holes in this plastic bottle. And by heating the barbecue stick, it's very easy to make holes in the plastic bottle. If you don't have barbecue stick, then you can take any other pointed thing. By heating the barbecue stick on the stove, you can easily make holes in the plastic bottle. Look at this, I have done all. In this way, you will have to make holes in the plastic bottle, and after this, we will open the cap of the bottle. And now we will cut the lid of the bottle from the center with a hot knife. It will be easily cut with a hot knife. And now I have done. Look at this. Now I have taken an old t-shirt that we often throw away. First of all, we will cut the t-shirt from the center like this. And now we got a plain fabric. And after this, we will cut it from one side. And now we will cut long strips like this. After watching this video, you will never buy a mop from market. The mop that we buy from market is very expensive, but this mop is of no cost because we are making it from old t-shirt and plastic bottle. In this way, we will cut all the strips from the t-shirt. And it will take just 10 minutes to make it. Just you will have to cut the strips like this. And I have done all. After this, we will open the strips like this. We will open the strips because the fabric is double. And after that, we will stretch it because the fabric of t-shirt is flexible and it's very easy to stretch it. And it will become like a rope. Look at this. Now it's become like a rope. And in this way, we will stretch all the strips. And all these strips will become like a rope. If you find the video useful, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. And in this way, we will stretch all the strips. We will cut it from the center because it's double fabric, so I am cutting from the center. Now it will become 2 from each strip. You can also make this mop of 2 different colors. Then you will have to take 2 t-shirts of different colors. Now I have done all. Look at this. All the strips are looking like ropes and looking very beautiful. And now we will take the plastic bottle that we have prepared before. And after that, we will insert the strips in these holes one by one. Look at this. Insert the strip into the hole and take it from the other side in this way and make it equal. And then we will tie a knot. It's equal now, and after that we will tie a knot tightly in this way. Look at this. Now we will insert all the strips in these holes one by one. Take another strip and insert in other hole like this, and take it out from other side. Make it equal, and after that we will tie a knot tightly. It's the easiest way to make a mop, and it will work like a mop that we buy from market. That is very expensive and you have to spend money to purchase it. But this mop is of no cost and we are making it from old t-shirt and plastic bottle that we often throw away. And in this way we will insert all the ropes in all these holes. And it will take just 10 minutes to make it. It's the best reuse of old t-shirt and you really enjoy to make it. It's especially useful for those women who have backache and they can't mop by sitting. And by using this mop they can easily do cleaning of their whole house. In this way we will insert all the strips. Look at this, I have done all and it's looking very beautiful in red color. I like red color so I make it from red t-shirt. After that we will open the lid of the bottle and now we will take a stick like this. You can take the stick of any broken wiper or broom. Insert the stick into the lid of the bottle like this and now we will close it tightly. Tightly close the lid of the bottle and in this way it will be fixed. And now our mop is ready. And now I will tell you how to use it. Look at this, it's looking very beautiful. And now here I have taken a water in the bucket. And now dip the mop in the water. And after that, we will squeeze all the water. Like this. And after that you can clean the floor of your house. And it's very easy to use. By using this mop you can clean your entire house in a very short time and you will never tired. If you like the video then give a thumbs up and leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. After cleaning wash it from water and then let it dry. You can also use it for dusting of your house. You can make two like this. One is for dusting and one is for mopping of your house. By using this duster, you can easily do dusting of those high places where your hands can't reach. It's the best reuse of old t-shirt and a plastic bottle. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.